Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you an easy way that you can get rid of hand wrinkles and have your hands feeling very soft, younger and smooth. I'll be using an easy remedy for this which you can easily get your hands on, and yes, you can also replace some of the ingredients with your own ingredients. That's just the good thing about this remedy. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you've not done so already. Turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again. And also don't forget to follow me on my other channel, which is my vlogging channel, Eti Frank. The link is going to be in the description. And then let's quickly get right into the preparation of this simple remedy. What I'll be using for this remedy is lemon juice, and here I have my store-bought lemon juice. You can choose to make use of this or you use the fresh lemon. This is actually my fresh lemon. This is what our lemon looks like here in Nigeria, so no argument in the comment section. This is actually a lemon, so you can make use of any of them. For this, lemon is very good because it has these mild bleaching properties or mild brightening properties that helps to brighten up the skin. It also contains antibacterial that helps to fight any infection on the skin. Lemon is also very good when it comes to healing. So if you have any little or tiny injury on your skin, then lemon is also very good with that as well. Next ingredient we'll be using for this is this Himalayan salt. This salt has very good exfoliating properties. It helps to slough away the dead skin cells on the surface of the skin and helps to reveal a brighter and fresher looking skin. So let me show you what the salt looks like inside. Here is what the salt looks like. This is actually the bigger particles. It also has these finer particles of this salt. So this salt has great exfoliating properties, and then that's why we are going to make use of this. It's going to help get rid of any dead skin cells that is stuck on the surface of your skin, of your hands, that is not allowing that glow and brightness to come out. Next thing we'll be using is warm water. So this water here is actually to help soak up the hands or the palms and helps to make it softer and easier for our ingredients to penetrate faster. So I have my hot water in here, and then we are also going to be needing a bowl, and in this bowl I have a little cold water inside already. So I'm going to pour in the hot water. Check, because I want us to have a nice warm water, not lukewarm water, but some kind of warm water that you can feel that is hot, because this is actually hot at the moment, but not like so hot. The next thing I'm going to do is to go in with my lemon juice. So like I said before, you can choose to use the fresh lemon juice or the store-bought lemon juice. So I'm just going to take 3 cups into my water. And then I'm going to pour in my liquid soap. So you can make use of your body wash for this. So I'm just pouring in a little of the liquid soap to give it that slip and help make the hands very soft. I'm just going to stir. You can see the lather forming a bit, but not too much. So the next thing I'm going to do with this is that I'm going to soak my hands. Let me get my ring off. I'm going to soak my hands in this. And when you soak your hand in this water, please allow it to sit for 15 minutes. This water is actually warm and it feels good. So soak this in very well. Just going to massage it like this. And then it's time to move over to the next step. For the next step, I'm going to get a bowl. This step is going to be a scrub. I'm going to prepare a very simple scrub using baking soda, also known as bicarbonate of soda. You can get this in any baking store. So baking soda here also helps to exfoliate the skin. It helps to brighten the skin as well. So that's why we're going to be using it here as a physical exfoliant to further exfoliate the skin. So I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of baking soda into my bowl. And then I'm also going to make use of this salt. And for this, I'm going to use about half a teaspoon of the Himalayan salt in that as well. And then I'm going to use coconut oil. Coconut oil here is going to help soften the palm, and it's also going to help moisturize it, helps firm up the skin and help to tighten it up and get rid of wrinkles on the palms. So that's why we'll be using coconut oil here. And I'm going to use a little of this. I'm going to use about half a teaspoon. The next thing I'll be using for this is lemon juice. I just love lemon so much, and I love using it in my scrub, even if it's just a little. So I'm going to use about half teaspoon of lemon in this. I'm just trying to get a nice paste. Like, I don't really want to have a paste. I want something that is still a little bit grainy. So that is why I'm using very little of the oil and the lemon juice in it. And so far, I've been able to achieve that with what we have here. So now you can see our scrub is ready, and now it's time for us to go into the scrubbing. For the scrubbing, we've prepped our hands already for the scrubbing. That is the first step we did. So now I'm just going to go in with the scrub here in my palm. This is what the consistency of the scrub looks like. So I'll just go ahead and scrub it all over my hand like this. So as you can see, I'm just scrubbing in gentle circular motion. I'm going to take the scrub with my other hand and then I'm going to repeat the same thing with this other side. Remember to scrub gently but scrub very well, just like what I'm showing you now. Get more of the scrub, and I'm not forgetting my palm here, so I'm going to scrub my palm also. That's because I want it to get soft, so that's why I'm also gonna be scrubbing this like this. So you are going to go ahead and keep scrubbing this for about 15 minutes. After scrubbing, I'll go back with the water that I used to soak my hands earlier, and I'm going to soak my hands in here again for another 5 minutes. So just soak and wait patiently for 5 minutes. I'm going to make the water to touch this other part of my hands as well, and then just leave it in there. After leaving it for about 5 minutes, just go ahead and wash it off. Remember that while we are washing, you are also scrubbing in gentle circular motion like I've been showing you since, and then rinse. So that was it, guys. Go ahead and repeat this remedy at least 3 times in a week, and you are going to have your hands feeling very soft, smooth, and looking very young. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends. Give it a thumbs up if you've not done so yet, and subscribe on your way out. Turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on my socials. The link is on the screen and in the description box, and also don't forget to follow me on my vlogging channel, Eti and Mark. The link is also in the description box, and you can search for that on YouTube as well. And then I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.